Hi and welcome to this Diwali special episode on Bon Appetit with Maithili. So Diwali being a festival of lights, colors, meeting with family and friends and dressing like stars and eating and indulging in some mouth-watering fare. Today I'm going to show you some recipes which are very simple and very tasty and won't take any more time in the kitchen. So let's not waste time and get right into the kitchen to make my very tangy and creamy paneer frankie, which I guarantee you that will be loved by kids, youngsters and adults in tow. So to know more about this recipe, stay tuned with me on India Food Network. Really tangy and creamy paneer frankie, first we are going to start by making the paneer filling. So let's make the marinade first. For this I am going to take a bowl and add about 1/4 to 1.5 cups of yogurt in that. To this add 2 tablespoons of sour cream, or if you have just regular cream, to add to it to just make it more creamy and rich for the festive season. And now I'm going to add the spices. I'm going to add a good teaspoon to teaspoon and a half of some paneer tikka masala or some tandoori masala, half a teaspoon of red chili flakes, and to make it more rich, I'm going to add a tablespoon of butter and some salt to taste. So now let's give it a quick mix. So now the marinade is ready. So I'm going to add this marinade to about 1.5 to 2 cups of cubed paneer. So simply drop it in that. And you can really add or subtract the seasonings according to your taste buds. Now give it a quick mix gently, so that the paneer pieces don't break up. So now the paneer is mixed really well. And that's it. Now we're going to let this rest for about 10 to 15 minutes, not more than that, so that all the juices and everything amalgamate and it becomes a really, really yummy mixture. So now that our paneer is resting for 10 to 15 minutes, we're just going to saute it in a pan. So just add about 2 tablespoons of oil. Any regular oil will do. Once the oil is heated, just drop in the marinated paneer right into the pan. Just give it a quick stir. And let it cook for a good 5 to 6 minutes. So while the paneer is cooking, we'll do the slaw in another bowl. To make the onion slaw, I'm going to simply mix in a few ingredients to make it a really tangy and yummy slaw. So here I have 1 onion that I've sliced. Put it in a bowl. To the onions, add some fresh coriander, a teaspoon of chaat masala, and a squeeze of maybe half a lime, and quickly give it a quick mix. And that's it, our slaw is ready. So now that my paneer filling is ready and my slaw is ready, I will show you how to assemble the paneer frankie. So here I have small, about 6 inches size tortillas or whole wheat rotis. I'm going to simply take some of the filling and spoon it in the center, just like this. And now I'm going to add some slaw on top. Sprinkle some more chaat masala on top. And now with the help of olive oil, just going to simply close it place it on a hot tawa. Just brush some more olive oil on top. So now it's done on one side, so I'm just going to flip it on the other side. Just brush some more olive oil or any regular oil on top. So my very creamy and tangy paneer frankie is absolutely ready. After looking at this, I can't wait to dig in. And the best way I like to have it is with a glass of ice and top it up with lots of fizzy Coke. So I hope you enjoyed watching this recipe, and I hope you make it for all your dear ones and your family and friends this year, because I guarantee you they are going to be wowed. So until next time, this is Maithili wishing all my viewers a very happy Diwali and a prosperous new year. Cheers!